I hear a car to the east, coming this way.
Hopefully they stop.
Yeah, it's stopping at the apartments. Or near them. Oh yeah, they ran to that apartment you just said was open.
Yeah, I see him.
They're coming running my way. Nice.
The other one's just tucked behind the vent.
I see him. I got a grenade, throw it. Oh, I naded him.
Nice.
He's gone.
I've lost. It's definitely 300.
Oh, guy, across 3-story.
Shut it.
Insta-kill.
No.
Oh, I just seen him. Nice.
There's two in there.
Nade in one.
Nice throw.
Oh, he's looking at the left window.
Oh fuck, he hit me.
Knocked him out. I'm coming to you.
Nice.
Yeah.
Fuck.
I see him prone outside to the left. I've got one. Ooh. I didn't know.
Yeah.
Oh shit, sorry.
Did I run in front of that?
Yeah. We have to move anyway, we gotta go.
Yep. Damn it.
Got him.
Fuck, man. Fuck.
Gotta heal first.
Yeah, there's one alive.
I'm
just gonna be. That's been a little one. Did you jump?
Yeah, I fell. He's on me.
Down. Oh my god. Good job, dude.